There are no limits to how much Jesus cares for you. The shepherd comes to the fold and calls out his sheep. Praise God, it was the good shepherd, Jesus, that came to us in our fallen state, called us and led us. We invite Brother Sam and team to the stage, who will be depicting this wild dance. Please enjoy this vibrant performance that is a wonderful blend of grace and energy. A round of applause for our team, Brother Sam.
നൂറാടുള്ളോരിടയൻ നാടിനെ മേയ്ക്കാൻ പോയി തിരികെ വരും